the easiest trading strategy to use. I literally only use this trading strategy. I use this strategy. It works every single day. Works on stocks, forex, futures, options, and crypto. Help me catch this huge setup to start off the week. Let's go ahead and go into the charts and break it down.
So what I teach the members and students is not to chase price, but follow the flow of price. So trading is not about catching every pip, every candlestick. Trading is about going for high probability, high quality setups. So when we look to the left, we see GJ has clear bullish momentum. So if we're showing clear bullish momentum and higher highs being made, what would be the high probability, high quality setup here? It would be buys. So not only do I only want to look for buys in an uptrend, but I want to enter buys off support, just like you would enter sells off resistance. So from this point, either wait for price to A, break this resistance level, turn into support, right? Or B, I'm gonna wait to see if price can retrace and maintain this low at support and then go for buys here. But my game plan is buys until the bullish momentum is no longer valid. So now that I know what my game plan is, all I gotta do is patiently wait for my confirmations in the setup. This right here was right before London session 245. I saw price maintain its low at support. So I knew going into London session, I traded London session and New York session, live every day London session for free on YouTube in the bio. I knew that I was gonna be looking for buys. So as we can see right here, price tapped that level, held it at support, and then as you can see, the volume kicked up and did a beautiful push to the upside. But as we see, price struggled to break this high to the left, so I secured my profits, and that was my setup London session. But going into New York session, this is why, again, I don't chase price, I follow the flow of price. A lot of people would have saw this candlestick at 8 a.m. As you can see, this was 8 a.m. candlestick, and you see this big engulfing candlestick, and y'all see a FEG, so you think you need an elemental PQ or STUV, but in all actuality, we're still bullish. Just because price broke a level does not mean the downtrend is going to come into play, especially if we do not hold this level as resistance. So look what happened going into New York session. Right, we see price broke above this level. It did not treat this level as resistance, it broke back above and held it as support. So what would have happened if you would have went for sell instead of buys following the flow of price? You would have been another person talking about a fake out liquidity sweep, but in all actuality, the reason why you got faked out, your liquidity got swept, is because you're chasing price, not following the flow of price. It's literally that simple, y'all. And not only did I catch this setup, look at the day at the bottom of the screen, Monday, October 6th. But you know how to make sure members and students able with me as well. We're in advanced place signal. You see the same exact day, October 6th. You see the time to enter the trade, 9:46 a.m. You see the entry at sell the TPs. You see the reactions, you see the TPs getting hit. Then you see we caught another GJ buy the next day. And again, when we look at this retest right here, look at the time, 9:45. Was this candlestick right here. So after price did the retest and push, that's when we get to the setup, and you can see the rest was history.
This ended up being a beautiful 1-to-4 risk short ratio setup. Whatever you would have risked, you would have made 4 times that amount. So if you would have risked $100, you would have made $400. If you would have risked $1,000, you would have made $4,000 off this one trade alone. We really do this over here, y'all. So if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level or copying my exact signals strategy that gave us 100% win rate last week, 100% win rate the week before that, and gave us an 89% win rate quarter 3. That's all 3 months combined. Read the caption, comment playmaker in the comments, and I got y'all. Follow for more.